But printers, they're memory makers in a way. They're the bridge between whatever we had in the past and what we have access to. When we read Shakespeare, it's because we had composers that put letter by letter.
I'm like trying to really put my weight into it.
It's been like such a great week. We done a lot of like hands-on. We set type by hand. We actually had to like select letter by letter, and you have to find the actual like letter. You also print with like the hand press.
Oh, nice. Got a lot going on, right?
My research is in English printers, publishers, and booksellers in the early modern period. Actually experiencing this and seeing how things were done, it made me rethink a lot of what I actually understood by their work, their labor, and all the effort that took to actually get a book ready. You kind of like take for granted how hard it was and how much effort they had to put in like doing these things manually, so it's been really illuminating. We're here like maybe 20 people, and we've been trying to print a small pamphlet, and we've been going for it for a week, and it's really hard. I was really excited to participate, and it's been a great week.